More than half of a century ago, scientists discovered the relationship of plant sterols to cardiovascular health. They found that plant sterols can help lower cholesterol. When fat-containing foods are eaten, cholesterol and other nutrients are broken down in the stomach and transported to the small intestines. In the small intestines, cholesterol is integrated into the mixed micelles. Micelles are a group of lipid molecules that band together, allowing the body to absorb them. From your body's point of view, plant sterols look a lot like cholesterol. Because of this similarity, plant sterols are taken into the micelles instead of cholesterol. So when plant sterols are present, your body absorbs less cholesterol. Numerous studies suggest that plant sterols play a key role in lowering cholesterol. If you are watching your cholesterol, try MonaV Pulse. It was created with your heart in mind. 2 servings of MonaV Pulse contain enough plant sterols, 0.8 grams per day, to help maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Formulated with 19 fruits, including the superfruit acai, MonaV Pulse is a delicious, heart-healthy blend of powerful antioxidants which nutritionally supports your cardiovascular system. Maintaining existing healthy cholesterol levels has never been easier. Show your heart some love and drink MonaV Pulse today.